Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, I promised you a easy to understand version of these seals in this geometry that's in place binding these terrestrial spirits. I know I have not fulfilled that part so far, but one of my most favorite sayings is that life is not a microwave bag of popcorn. So there are no instantaneous results. Although that some may seem instantaneous, behind the scenes there's a lot going on that builds up to that point. So I basically had to create a foundation of knowledge that has brought us to this point to where you see that there is circumscribed geometry known as tetrahedral geometry that is even in place in our world. And what I'm going to show you now is that this geometry is in place on all the known planets of our world. And now it's going to tie up big time for what I've already told you. I'm not just bringing you out in space and going to drop you off somewhere. So just remember what I've stated thus far, and then we're going to move on a little forward, and it should get real interesting here. All right, let me describe some of these anomalies that can be found at 19.5 around our planet and the solar system so that you can understand that this geometry is actually in place. All planetary anomalies appear on or around 19.5 latitude on all the known planets. All right, the red storm of Jupiter, 19.5. The new cloud bursts on Jupiter, 19.5. The dark spot storm on Neptune is at 19.5. Sunspots on our own sun occur at 19.5. The solar system's largest volcano, Olympus Mons, is located at 19.5 on Mars. Hurricanes form on Earth at 19.5. Earth's largest active volcano, Kilauea, on Hawaii, is located at 19.5. Major ancient civilizations are also located at 19.5. The Pyramid of the Sun at Teotihuacan outside of Mexico City, 19.5. The Giza Plateau, Stonehenge, and Teotihuacan. Now, Giza and Stonehenge are not exactly at 19.5, but what they are is they include this 19.5 geometry within, I guess I should say, within their formula or their format for creation or their mathematics, okay? So as we can see, 19.5 is a major message. It's a major clue for what is going on with ancient knowledge and our physical universe. Now, if we were to look at this symbol and equate it to its counterpart in Egyptian hieroglyph, we would find out that this really is the term for Sirius, okay, which is the brightest star in the night sky. But in reality, this actually means, or they equate Sirius as a stargate. All right, now that's very interesting because what we know of in the Old Testament, stars are referred to as angels. Okay, so what you could probably say right now, rather than Stargate, is to say Angel Gate, or Angel Portal, or Angel Door. So what this is, even in ancient past, it is known as a gate, which either allows the entrance or allows the exit from our physical system of energy, okay, in which these beings are now a part of, being bound to this terrestrial earth and its energy laws and patterns, which is basically just known as physics. So, unbelievably, we can see that now we are beginning to connect up the information that this is known as a gate or a stargate or an angel gate. Now, notice that this whole thing, this whole geometrical pattern is in place over our whole world. Now, I'm going to jump to the chase right now, or cut to the chase. This symbol, this energy, is what is stopping these beings right now from exposing themselves fully on our physical plane.